Welcome to Cheerbot, in real life, toy robots for the Web3 smart home. I'll move through these slides quick. I've only got 3 minutes. Please visit the bottom right link if you'd like to go down the rabbit hole. Each image is an attached hyperlink, so be sure to click on them as you go through the slides. Our first bot, you can buy today. It uses Gitcoin lore, showcased at ETH Denver's Challenge Point. The 3D printed collectible is an exact replica of the NFT art at a premium luxury price point, with future perks in store. Our upcoming bot at an economy price point. Contact me if you'd like to join our waitlist. Problem: Web3 is a digital-only space, but Web2 is digital and physical. Solution: phygital. Adds a physical element to Web3 while leveraging its digital superpowers. Our DAO adheres to Web3's core tenets. We use Raspberry Pis. Raspberry Pi is the edge computing equivalent to Ethereum. Getting Pis into Web3's hands will offer a lot of peer-to-peer networking effect opportunities down the road. Compare what Amazon can do with edge computing using its widely distributed echoes. Cheerbot is the world's first 3D printed NFT collection. The NFT is actually baked into the toy using NFC technology. The NFT is multimedia, with sound design by award-winning artists. Cheerbot can explore lots of verticals, but here are our first plan verticals. We're helping live stream artists get tips, even if they're multi-streaming, on Reddit, Twitch, whatever. Approved NFT owning fans get to share their NFTs with the entire audience as thanks for the tip. And getting the unpaid Devoom artist community interested in NFTs is also an exciting opportunity. With or without Cheerbot, the DIY maker community is starting to explore the blockchain. Now is our overturn window of opportunity to onboard them. Given our legal engineering background and music industry background, we'll pioneer Web3 structures and IP law too. Here's our team. Notice how many members have music industry skills because of our low-cost marketing strategy. Target performing musician live streaming influencers using real-time tips for meaningful fan interactions. One of our future verticals is a Tamagotchi-style pixel art. So Web3 gamers are also interested in Cheerbot. And our LexDAO guild takes care of each other. Our asks: give to our Gitcoin grant, buy our premium bot, join our economy bot campaign, or join our roadmap. Also, we're looking for a community manager. Finally, the graph gave us a big grant because of our potential edge computing and conference booth interaction verticals. Thanks for your time.